Welcome to another series of isolation workouts. Today we are doing it using only a chair or a ledge. That's all you're going to need, and your own body weight. So let's crack on. The workout is going to be 30 seconds of each exercise with no rest. Then we're going to have a 30-second rest and repeat that through 2 more times. So all I'm going to do is show you each exercise, and you're going to keep going with me for the whole 4.5 minutes with no rest. So let's get going, shall we? First one is a glute bridge. So here on a ledge or a chair, either works well. Shoulder blades on the bench, feet underneath your knees, and we're going to go in 3, 2, 1. Raise those hips up and down. 30 seconds of this. Keep that moving. Then we're going to go into toe taps using this ledge here. Squeeze those glutes through. Hold at the top. That's halfway through the exercise. Keep pushing those hips through, driving through those heels. Squeeze it up. Nice. Again, you can always use a garden chair if you want. Up we get. Toe taps. Onto the step. Toe taps. Here. 30 seconds. Then we're going to go into a moving plank after this. Keep that going. 15 seconds done. 10 seconds. So we're going to end up in a plank with our hands on the grass, and we're going to lift them up onto the stone. Down we go into a plank. Here, reach through and down. Reach through and down. Good. Keep that going. Under shoulders, reach in front. Under shoulders, reach in front. Too hard? Come onto your knees. Let's keep that up now. 8 seconds. And then we're going to go into squat jumps onto a ledge. Or, if you're doing it in the garden and you've got nothing, just into the air. So we've either got here, or we got up and down. Up and down. Or just through here. Good. 15 seconds. We're going to come into tricep dips. So onto your chair or your ledge here. Tricep dips. Cool. That heart rate's up already. Keep that going. Then we're going to go to split lunges. So we're going to have 1 foot here and 1 foot on the chair or the ledge. We're going to do 30 seconds on each leg. We've got 3, 2, 1. Off we go. 1 foot out. I'll go here, there, and we're going to go lunges. 30 seconds. Keep that front knee over those laces. Keep that there. 15 seconds. Can't see the timer. Good. Change legs. One foot on. Off we go. 30 seconds. And then we're going to go straight into an incline press up. So we're either going to use the bottom ledge or the top ledge. After we've done that, that is our first round complete. Good. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Press ups. I'm going to use the higher ledge here and up. Again, too hard, come onto your knees. Same thing. Keep that moving now. We've got 10 seconds left. And relax. Grab yourself some water, and then we're going to go for another round. Get yourself ready for your next set. Breathe in, suck in that air. 15 seconds now. Going back to your glute bridges. 10 seconds, down we come. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and off we go. Up and down. 30 seconds, squeezing those glutes through, weight through your heels. Nice work. Keep that going now. We're halfway through, then we're coming into our toe taps. Nice work now, 5 seconds, keep that there. Up. 3, 2, 1, and toe taps. Off we go, straight in. Keep that heart rate up. Going to go to moving planks after this. Moving planks. 6 seconds. Keep that going. 3, 2, 1, and planks. Here, reach through and back. Reach through and back. Keep that working now, keep that tempo up. 10 seconds. Come on now, we got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, squat jumps. Up we come. Ready, and off we go. Good, 10 seconds left. I think this one gets the heart rate going the most. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tricep dips. Down we go. Let's go. Dips, and then split lunges. Keep that going. Keep yourself moving. Working well. Let's keep that heart rate going. What have we got? 12 seconds now. 12 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Split lunges. 1 foot up, 1 foot forward. Off we go. Lunge it through. And then we've got press ups to finish this series. And then we've got one more round. Good work. That's 15 seconds gone. 10 seconds to go. 10 seconds, come on. Dig deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, change legs. Straight in. Feeling those burns through my legs now. Come on, dig deep. 15 seconds to go. Then press ups. 10, 9, 8, 7, come on now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Press ups for me. Down we go. I'm going lower this time. Let's pump these out. Press ups. Remember, go to your knees if it's too tough. Let's keep that moving. Come on, last 5 seconds, then your breather. And relax there. 30 seconds off, then we're going back in to the glute bridges. This will be our last round. We've got this, right? Grab some water. 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glute bridges. Off we go. Squeeze it through. Push through the heels. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last round, remember. 6. Keep that going. Halfway through now. Ten seconds, guys. And then we're going back into your toe taps. Let's keep that moving. 3, 2, 1, and toe taps we go. Straight in. Got moving plank in 15 seconds. Keep that heart rate up. 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moving plank. Down we come, up we go. That's 10 seconds in. Ten seconds left. Squat jumps after this. Straight into it. Come on now, home straight. 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps. Let's go. Up. Ten seconds. Come on, let's go. Let's push it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tricep dips. Let's go. Push it. Split lunges and then press ups all the way to the end. This is working well, guys. You're pushing yourself hard. Let's keep working now. 10 seconds left in these. 5, 4, 3, 2, and split lunges. Let's go. Foot forward, straight in. Let's make these count now. Last 30 seconds on this leg. Got a minute and a half left, and then the workout is complete. Let's keep going now. 15 seconds. Up, push. Drive through that front heel if we can. 10 seconds. You got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and change legs. Let's go now. Straight in. Feel that burn. Heart rate's high. Doing well. That's halfway through now. 15 seconds. We've got this. Up. 10 seconds left. Go, go, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And press ups. 30 seconds. Let's make this count now. Straight in. "20 seconds to go. Let's go. Push to the end now. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. And relax. That was a tough workout, but you finished it, and now you can think, I've done one part of my exercise for today. Go for a walk, and you smashed it. And look who's arrived. Hello, Jack. Jack, come here. Come here. Look who it is. Come to say hello. Say hello to the camera. Have a great day.